Before you start reading Chapter 10, here's a brief overview of what happened in Chapter 9. Lily feels ready to tell August about the truth about everything. If we remember, back in Chapter 8, at the end of that chapter, Lily had touched the statue's heart, which signified that she was brave enough and emotionally ready enough to kind of come clean about all of her secrets and her lies to August. So at the beginning of Chapter 9, Lily is actually on her way to tell August about everything when Zach and Lily decide they're going to go into town on a honey run since August is busy. So on that honey run, Zach runs into a group of his friends in town, and they are by the movie theaters, which means that Jack Palance, the famous white movie theater actor, is supposed to be coming into town with a colored woman. So there are a bunch of white men outside of the movie theater ready to kind of revolt and get angry about that. However, in that whole scene, Zach's friend Jackson ends up throwing a Coke bottle at the group of men, and it hits one of the white men. So it causes a conflict between these people, and as a result, Zach and his friends get arrested because no one fesses up to throwing the bottle and hurting the man. So Zach and his friends go to jail, and because of that, August and June agree not to tell May what is going on, not to tell May that Zach is in jail and anything along those sorts, because they feel that she's too emotionally unstable. She really, really cares about Zach, so she thinks that by having May know what's going on would really kind of just put her over the edge. So finally, at the end of the chapter, the biggest piece of information that happens in the novel so far is that the phone rings and May ends up finding out that Zach is in jail. Zach's mom is the one who ends up calling, and May picks up the phone. As a result, May becomes very detached from reality. She kind of is zoning in and out. She's glazing over, and she decides at the end of the chapter that she is going to go out to the Wailing Wall. And from the movie, we know what's going to happen. So now you are fully ready to and prepared to start reading Chapter 10.